All right, food lovers, today I'm sharing the secret recipe to elevate your roast potatoes to a whole new level. We're talking about crispiness, flavor, and a touch of elegance with bay and brandy butter. First things first, let's get our ingredients ready. You need some good quality potatoes, unsalted butter, fresh bay leaves, a splash of brandy, sea salt, and black pepper. Now, the potatoes. Go for Maris Pipers or King Edwards. They're brilliant for roasting. Peel your potatoes and cut them into even chunks, about the size of a golf ball. Rinse them under cold water to remove the excess starch, then pop them into a pot of salted boiling water. Cook until they're just tender, around 10 minutes will do. Drain them and let them steam dry for a few minutes. This step is crucial for that crispy exterior. While the potatoes are steaming, let's get that bay and brandy butter ready. In a small saucepan, melt a generous knob of unsalted butter. Add a couple of fresh bay leaves and let them infuse for a few minutes. Now comes the magic touch, a splash of brandy. Be careful here, you don't want to set the kitchen on fire. Let it simmer until the alcohol evaporates and you're left with a fragrant, boozy butter. Back to the potatoes. Give them a good shake in the colander to rough up the edges. This is what makes them extra crispy. Pour the bay and brandy butter over the potatoes, making sure each piece is well coated. Season with sea salt and black pepper and give them another gentle toss. Spread the potatoes out on a roasting tray in a single layer. You want them to crisp up, not steam. Pop them into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, that's 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 45 minutes. Turn them halfway through to ensure they're golden and crispy all over. Now, here's a little story. The idea for bay and brandy butter came to me one Christmas when I wanted to impress my family with something special. I tried this combination and honestly, it was a game changer. The bay leaves add an earthy herbal note while the brandy gives it a rich, luxurious flavor. Every time I make these potatoes, it takes me back to that festive moment with my loved ones. All right, let's check our potatoes. They should be golden, crispy and smelling absolutely divine. Serve them up hot and watch as your guests' faces light up with delight. So there you have it. The secret to perfect roast potatoes, bay and brandy butter. Trust me, once you try these, you'll never go back to plain roasties again. Give it a go and let me know how you get on in the comments. Happy cooking!